I felt the truck and trailer bouncing, but thought it was an uneven road. Nope, my tire was about to blow out. North Toledo Bend State Park, Zwolle, Louisiana, home of the Zwolle Tamale Fiesta. I made it home safely and will show you how to replace a blown tire on a single-axle trailer. Here's my flat tire changing kit for the single-axle Airstream or single-axle travel trailer. I used a power-built 3-ton bottle jack designed to support up to 6,000 pounds. My torque wrench kit includes a torque wrench, a breaker bar, and sockets. I got a beefy Porter cable air compressor that handles the Goodyear Endurance Tire Max PSI, no problemo. Of course, you need wheel chocks for safety and blocks to help jack up the Airstream to easily remove the spare tire. In the Bambi, the spare tire is located up front on a mount attached to the A-frame. While supporting the handle with one hand, I removed the bracket bolt with the other and lowered the tire to the ground. Let's talk nuts. Lug nuts, that is. Before jacking up the tire, I used the breaker bar to loosen the lug nuts first. Not all the way, just enough to then easily remove them when the tire is not touching the ground. Now it's time to jack your body. In the Airstream, look for a sticker that says jack. It points to the metal pad to place your jack. Here you see I'm jacking up the tire so it no longer touches the surface and will be easier to remove. Okay, back to the nuts. Go ahead and remove all of the nuts and take the tire off the axle. Time to mount the spare. Install the nuts in the star pattern. This means tightening one nut followed by the one directly opposite. This crisscross method prevents uneven pressure, which can cause warping or a wheel to come loose. The lug nut torque specifications for most late model Airstreams with aluminum wheels, like my 2018 Bambi and my 2022 Globetrotter, is 110 foot-pounds. Older Airstreams require 100 foot-pounds. You know it's tightened when you hear the clicks. Cathartic. The Goodyear Endurance tire pressure, common on many Airstreams, calls for an 80 psi, but I like to cap them off at around 70 psi for a smoother ride. Okay, that's a wrap. You've now learned how to replace a blown tire and the tools to get the job done right. And now, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more glamping tips, how to stay buff while glamping, Gen X glamping fashion, and videos about spotting Bigfoot while glamping, among many others. Glamp on!